Hello everyone, you are welcome in Forum IS Prelims 2021 Test 2 Part 1 video. If you like this video then please like, share and subscribe. The credit of this video goes to Forum IS. This is a Test 2 of Forum IS. The first question is, Ajivikas were fatalists who believed that everything was predetermined. Lokayats were materialists who rejected the authority of the Vedas. Makhali Ghosala was an Ajivika teacher and Ajita Kesambalin was a Lokayukta teacher. Which of the statements given above is are correct? The correct option of question number 1 is D. 1, 2 and 3. All the options are correct. Ajivikas were one of the heterogeneous sectors developed in pre-Mauryan times. Lokayatas were usually described as materialists. Makhali Ghosala was an Ajivika teacher and Ajita Kesambalin was a Lokayata teacher. The next question is question number 2. Which of the following steps were taken by rulers in the medieval times to earn support of their subjects? Declaring their close relationship with God through titles like Shadow of God, constructing public buildings like markets and water tanks, offering patronage to the learned and pious people. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 2 is A. 1 and 2 and 3. All options are correct. The next question is question number 3. Consider the following statement. Tributary style of architecture was used in India for construction since Harappan civilization. Limestone cement was a new technological development witnessed during the medieval age. Which of the statements given above is are correct? The correct answer of question number 3 is B. 2 only. Tributary style of construction was not used since Harappan style, and there are two technological and stylistic developments are noticeable from 12th century since the medieval age. One is limestone cement and second is ARCUATE style of architecture. The next question is question number 4. Consider the following statement regarding Mahajanpad. The kingdom of Magad was a monarchy, whereas the kingdom of Vajji was a republic. Both Gautam Buddha and Vardhaman Mahavir belong to Ganas or Sanghas. Which of the statements given above is are correct? The correct option of question number 4 is C. Both 1 and 2. Magad was one of the most important Mahajanpad. Magad was a monarchy as there was a rule of one person. If any state ruled by one person, then it is a monarchy. And both Buddha and Mahavira belong to Ganas or Sanghas. The next question is question number 5. Which of the following commodities are kept outside the purview of GST in India? Alcohol for human consumption, petroleum products, electricity. The correct answer of question number 5 is D. 1, 2 and 3. All the options are outside of purview of GST. The next question is question number 6. With reference to the pre-Mauryan period, consider the following statement. Village headman was known as Gram Bhojaka. Use of iron began in India from the times of the Indus Valley civilization. The correct answer of question number 6 is A only. Village headmen were known as Grama Bhojaka in northern part of the country. The next question is question number 7. Consider the following statement regarding prehistoric India. Stones were used for digging the ground to collect edible roots, stitching cloths made out of animal skin, making spears and arrows for hunting. The correct option of question number 7 is answer D. 1, 2 and 3. All the options are correct. The next question is question number 8. Which of the following sites are identified as a Neolithic sites? Daojali Heading, Payampalli, Kurnool Caves, Inamgaon. The correct answer of question number 8 is A. 1 and 2 only. Daojali Heading and Payampalli. And other list of Neolithic sites are Koldi Hawa, Mahagada, Mehergarh, Hallui, Budahom, Siran and Daojali Heading, Payampalli. The next question is question number 9. Consider the following statement about village assemblies of South India. Sabha was a village assembly found in areas where landowners were not Brahmin. Nagaram was an assembly of merchants. Ur was a village assembly of Brahmin landowners found in South India. The correct answer of question number 9 is C. 2 only. Nagaram was an assembly of merchants. Statement 1 is the Sabha, which was an assembly of Brahman landowners. Not Brahman, it's wrong. And the statement 3, the Ur village was an assembly found in areas where the landowners were not Brahmin. The next question is question number 10. Food Corporation of India (FCI) is responsible for the procurement, storage and movement of food grains, public distribution and maintenance of buffer stock. It functions under the Ministry of. The correct answer of question number 10 is D. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. The next question is question number 11. With respect to the woman's condition in ancient India, consider the following statement. There was no female Upanishadic thinker in the ancient India. Women were not allowed to join Buddhist tongue. The correct answer of question number 11 is C. Both 1 and 2 are incorrect. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? The next question is question number 12. Question number 12. Arrange the following Bhakti saints chronologically. Narsi Mehta, Basavanna, Tulsidas, Manikava Sagar. The correct answer of question number 12 is B. 4, 2, 1, 3. Manikava Sagar, then Basavanna, then Narsi Mehta, then Tulsidas. Manikava Sagar is in 9th century. Basavanna is in 12th century. Narsi Mehta is in 50th century. Tulsidas is in 60th to 70th century. The next question is question number 13. Which of the following architectural innovation and styles are associated with the Mughals? Charbagh, central towering dome, Pistach or tall gateway. The correct answer of question number D is question number 13 is D. 1, 2 and 3. All the options are correct. Charbagh, central towering dome and Pistach or tall gateway. The next question is question number 14. With reference to Mahajanpath, consider the following statements. The tax was fixed at 1/6 of the produce, the hunters and gatherers had to provide forest produce to the Raja. The correct answer of question number 14 is C, both 1 and 2. The next question is question number 15. With regard to the strategic partnership policy, consider the following statement. It intends to promote Indian private sector participation in defense manufacturing. It was first suggested by Dhiren Singh Committee. Which of the statements given above is are correct? The correct answer of question number 15 is C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. The next question is question number 16. With reference to the medieval India history, which one among the following events happened earliest? Diwani of Bengal transferred to the East Indian Company. Last Mughal ruler Bahadur Shah II exiled in Rangoon. Ahmad Shah Abdali defeated the Marathas at Battle of Panipat. Nadir Shah invaded India and sacked Delhi. The correct answer of question number 16 is D. Nadir Shah invaded India and sacked Delhi in 1739. And in 1761, Ahmad Shah Abdali defeated Maharashtra at Battle of Panipat, and the Diwani of Bengal transferred to the East Indian Company is in 1765, and the last Mughal ruler Bahadur Shah II exiled to Rangoon is in 1857. The next question is question number 17. Question number 17. Consider the following statement with regard to the Harappan script. Harappan writing is found only on the Harappan seals. Harappan script was Bostrobedon and non-alphabetical. The correct answer of question number 17 is B. 2 only. The next question is question number 18. With reference to the Sufi movement, consider the following statement. The Khanqah was the center of social life. Chishtis practiced austerity by maintaining a distance from worldly power. The correct answer of question number 18 is C. Both options are correct. The next question is question number 19. Consider the following statement regarding Ain-e-Akbari. It was part of Akbarnama commissioned by Akbar. It gives detailed account of the organization of the court, administration and army. The correct answer of question number 19 is C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. The Ain-e-Akbari or Ain-e-Akbari means administration of Akbar is a 60th century detailed document regarding the administration of Mughal Empire under Emperor Akbar, and it is written by his court historian Abul Fazl in Persian language. The next question is question number 20. The SDG Gender Index has been developed by. The correct answer of question number 20 is B. Equal Measures 2030. The SDG Gender Gap Index has been developed by Equal Measures 2030. The next question is question number 21. Arrange the following Mahajanpads from north to south. Gandhara, Avanti, Magad, Kuru. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 21 is A. First is Gandhara, then Kuru, then Magad, then Avanti. The next question is question number 22. With regard to the Mehergarh, consider the following statement. It is located in the Balan Valley, Uttar Pradesh in the northeastern India. Remains of rectangular houses and several burial sites have been found here. Which of the statements given above is are correct? The correct answer of question number 22 is B. 2 only. Remains of rectangular houses and several burial sites have been found here. The next question is Question number 23. Which of the following are the reasons behind the Magad Empire being such a power center in ancient India? Access to iron tools, urbanization, advancement in technology, political marriages. The correct answer of question number 23 is D. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the options are correct. The next question is question number 24. With regard to the Ibn Battuta, consider the following statement. He visited India during the reign of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. He was sent as envoy to the court of the Mongol Emperor of China. The correct answer of question number 24 is C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. The next question is question number 25. Consider the following statement with regard to the food fortification. Fortified foods refer to those foods in which macronutrients are added. Golden rice is an example of fortified food. Which of the statements given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 25 is C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. The next question is question number 26. Consider the following statement with regarding to the Harappan cities. Copper and bronze were used to make tools, weapons, ornaments and vessels. The unicorn is the most common motif on the Harappan cities made out of stone. Which of the statements given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 26 is C. Both 1 and 2. Both answers are correct. The next question is question number 27. Consider the following statement with regard to external trade in ancient India. Puhar was a port city located on the eastern coast of India. Trade with Roman Empire included spices, medicinal plants and textiles. The correct answer of question number 27 is C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. The next question is question number 28. Which one of the following statement is not correct about Lingayats? The correct answer of question number 28 is C. They supported the theory of rebirth. This is the wrong, and the correct is Lingayats challenge the idea of caste and the pollution attributed to certain group of Brahmins, and they question the theory of rebirth. The next question is question number 29. With reference to the history of India, the terms Khuda Khasta and Sahi Khasta refers to. The correct answer of question number 29 is B. Peasants. The next question is question number 30. Consider the following statement with regard to the Dragonfly mission. It will study subsurface, ocean and liquid reservoirs of Saturn's largest moon, Titan. It is part of New Frontier program of NASA. Which of the statements given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 30 is C. Both options are correct. The next question is question number 31. Consider the following pairs. Harappan sites located on the banks of Harappa on the Ravi River, Mohenjo-daro on Jhelum, Lothal on Sabarmati. The correct answer of question number 31 is C. Only 1 and 3 options are correct. Harappa is on Ravi River and Lothal is on Sabarmati, and Mohenjo-daro was located river to river Indus, not in Jhelum. The next question is question number 32. Consider the following statement. Mesopotamian text refers to the Harappan region as Magad. Harappan civilization procured copper from Oman region. The correct option of question number 32 is, and the third option is, Harappan used shipbuilding and communicated with different regions by ship. The correct answer of question number 32 is B. 2 and 3 only are correct. 2 is, Harappan civilization procured copper from Oman region, and Harappan used shipbuilding and communicated with different regions by sea. The next and the last question of in this video is 33. Arrange the following periods in Indian archaeology chronologically. The correct answer of question number 33 is C. First is Neolithic period, then Chalcolithic period, then Harappan civilization, then Megalithic burials. Neolithic is 10,000 BCE, Chalcolithic is 6,000 BCE, Harappan civilization is 2600 BCE, and the Megalithic burial is in 1000 BCE. Okay guys, this is the last question in this video. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.